Burdock root, a gift from nature, cherished for its numerous health benefits and versatility. Burdock root is a plant that thrives in various environments. It grows in many parts of the world from Asia to Europe and North America. People have used it for centuries for its health benefits, making it a staple in traditional medicine. It's a popular remedy in traditional medicine, known for its detoxifying properties. Today we know more about how it can help us, thanks to modern science and research. Burdock root looks like a long, brown stick, but don't let its appearance fool you. It has a slightly sweet and earthy taste, making it a unique addition to various dishes. You can eat it raw, but it's often cooked or made into tea, enhancing its flavor and benefits. Many people like to add it to soups and stews, where it blends well with other ingredients. Burdock root is full of good things for our bodies, packed with essential nutrients. It has vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for maintaining good health. Antioxidants are important because they protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This powerful root can help our bodies in many ways, from boosting immunity to improving digestion. It can help our skin look better, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy glow. It can also help our liver stay healthy by aiding in detoxification processes. Let's explore the amazing benefits of burdock root and see how it can enhance our well-being. Antioxidants, our body's protectors. Antioxidants are like superheroes for our cells. They fight against bad things called free radicals. Free radicals can damage our cells and make us sick. Antioxidants are found in many healthy foods. Fruits, vegetables, and nuts are all good sources. Burdock root is especially rich in certain antioxidants. One important antioxidant in burdock root is called quercetin. Quercetin can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to many health problems. Another powerful antioxidant in burdock root is luteolin. Luteolin can help protect our brains from damage. It may even help improve memory. Burdock root for healthy skin. Many people struggle with skin problems. Acne, eczema, and psoriasis are common conditions. Burdock root can be helpful for these issues. Burdock root has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce redness and swelling in the skin. It can also help soothe irritation and itching. Burdock root also has antibacterial properties. This means it can help fight against bacteria that can cause acne. By reducing bacteria, it can help prevent breakouts. People use burdock root in different ways for skin health. Some apply it directly to the skin as a paste. Others prefer to drink it as a tea. Section 4. Detoxifying with burdock root. Our liver is like a filter for our blood, working tirelessly to keep us healthy. It removes toxins and waste products, ensuring our body functions optimally. However, sometimes our liver can get overloaded with toxins due to poor diet, pollution, and stress. Burdock root is a natural detoxifier that has been used for centuries. This means it can help support the liver in removing toxins from the body, promoting better health. It does this by stimulating the liver's natural detoxification processes, making them more efficient. Traditional Chinese medicine has used burdock root for centuries to detoxify the blood and support overall wellness. It's believed to help cleanse the body, improve overall health, and boost vitality. By supporting liver function, burdock root can help improve energy levels, reduce digestive problems, and enhance well-being. It can also contribute to clearer skin, a stronger immune system, and a more vibrant life. Section 5. More benefits and safety advice. In addition to its well-known antioxidant and detoxifying properties, burdock root offers a range of other health benefits that are worth exploring. For instance, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly helpful for people managing diabetes. This makes it a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Furthermore, studies have shown that burdock root may also lower cholesterol levels, contributing to better cardiovascular health. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for heart disease, and managing it is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. By incorporating burdock root into your routine, you may help protect your heart health and support a more active lifestyle. Burdock root is generally considered safe for most adults when used appropriately. However, it's always best to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplement, including burdock root, to ensure it's right for you. Pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers should avoid burdock root due to potential risks. There is not enough research to confirm its safety during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it's better to be cautious. In conclusion, burdock root is a natural powerhouse packed with antioxidants and detoxifying properties that can enhance your well-being. It's a versatile root that can benefit our skin, liver, and overall health, making it a valuable addition to a balanced lifestyle. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before adding burdock root to your diet to ensure it's safe and beneficial for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.